In this video, we'll talk about our sense of hearing. Hearing is caused by the vibration of several structures within our ears. The ear is composed of three regions: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear consists of the pinna and the auditory canal. So the pinna is that outer region of the ear that's composed primarily of skin and cartilage. It's flexible and shaped in such a way as to collect sound waves and pass them down the auditory canal to the eardrum. Also known as the tympanic membrane. It's a sheet of tissue that separates the outer ear from the middle ear. When sound waves strike the eardrum, it vibrates and passes the sound waves to three small ear bones within our middle ear. Those middle ear bones, also known as ossicles, will vibrate because of the vibration of the eardrum. Those middle ear bones will actually even amplify those vibrations, transmitting those vibrations then to the inner ear. The inner ear consists of fluid-filled channels in the bones of the skull. Within the cochlea, the coiled part of our inner ear, is a structure known as the organ of Corti. The organ of Corti is the actual hearing organ. And again, it's found within the cochlea. It consists of hair cells. These are mechanoreceptors that are sensitive to movement or vibration of the small cilia-like extensions of these cells. These are the receptor cells of the ear. When sound waves are collected by the outer ear, they're transmitted eventually to the cochlea. Again, that's through the vibration of the eardrum or tympanic membrane, the movement of the ossicles or middle ear bones, and then finally that vibration is transferred to the cochlea. Hair cells within the organ of Corti bend, which trigger the nerve cells to then send signals to the brain. Louder sounds cause greater movements of those hair cells and generate more action potentials. Deafness, or the loss of hearing, can be caused by infections, injury, overexposure to loud noises, or could also be genetically caused. If these hair cells within the organ of Corti are not able to stimulate the sensory neurons to generate action potentials, those vibrations, that sound, will not be heard. This concludes our discussion of hearing. In the next video, we're going to talk about the motor systems of the body, which include both the skeletal system and the muscular system. See you in the next video.